Now come to convex lens. Okay, ray diagrams through convex lens. A convex lens forms images of different sizes, nature, and at different positions. A convex lens forms images of different sizes, different nature, and at different positions. Okay, for objects kept at different distances from its optical center. From its optical center. So, what is the meaning of this? That if you take a convex lens and if you take an object, then you can get the image of that object and at various positions and according to the position of the object. Okay, you can place the object at any position and you will get the image of it at any position. So we consider the following six cases, and we consider the following six cases that cover all possible types of images formed by this lens. So we are not to infinite images can be, ray diagrams can be drawn, but we can categorize all those formation of image forming rays into six types. Okay, so we consider following six cases that cover all possible types of images formed by the lenses, and whatever image formation, they will be covered within these six types of rays. The ray diagrams have been drawn using two of the three special rays mentioned above. The characteristics of the image formed, therefore the characteristics of the image formed have been written along with the corresponding ray diagram. So ये तुमका ray diagram दिखाया गया है, how images can be formed and the nature of the image. What is the nature of the image formed? Just like mirror you have made, similarly this case also, lens also similar to that. So when the object is placed at infinity, just see the ray diagram. If an object is placed at infinity, rays इधर से आ रहा है, मतलब they are coming from a long distance. यानी you can imagine that object is, these rays are coming from the object. Okay, these rays are coming from an object. So the image of a far off, image of a very far off object, that is object at infinity, is a real, diminished, is a real. Why? The real rays are meeting. We have already read in class 7. What are real rays? The real images. The images formed by the intersection of or meeting of real rays are called the real image. What are virtual images? The images formed due to the intersection of virtual rays, yeah, unreal rays are called virtual images. So here the actual rays are meeting. So the nature of the image, what first of all, it is real image. It is diminished, and because it is all rays are meeting at a point, so the image is diminished. And where the rays are meet, there the image formed. And if the rays are meeting at a point, then the image is very small, yani diminished, and almost point like image. It is formed at the focus of the lens. कहाँ बना है? It has formed at the focus. The meeting point of all parallel is called focus, so the image is formed as focus. So if the object is at infinity, then what is the nature of the image? The image is real, image is diminished, and the image is formed at the focus. Okay. Now come to second. So in case of infinity, if the object is placed far away from the lens, then you will get very small image at the focus, and it is a real image. And real images are always inverted also. So you can write invert real and inverted but diminished. Now second case, let the object somewhat beyond the 2i point of the lens. 2i. देखो 2i means twice the focal length. So in second case, just this is the optical center, this is the focus, and this length is 2i. है we do not say this as center of curvature, but center of curvature अगर हाँ इसको हम center of curvature कहते अगर distance को यहाँ से हमसे measure करते had the distance been measured from this spherical part, then this is the center of curvature. But since you are measuring the not distance from optical center, which is not at the spherical portion, and that is why it is considered focal length, and this is another focal length. So it is twice. Okay, this is one time focal length, this is two time focal length. So if the object is placed beyond 2i, if the हम सब mirror में पढ़े थे, if the object is placed beyond center of curvature, so here we shall not say beyond center of curvature, we shall say beyond 2i. So this is the object. Okay, so take any two special rays, take a ray parallel to the principal axis. We know the fate of such rays. What will happen to that ray? It will pass through the focus. Okay, it is passing through the focus. Take another ray which is passing through optical center. Okay, इस पॉइंट का देखो हम लोकेट कर रहे हैं, इस पॉइंट का इमेज कहाँ बनेगा? नाउ वी आर टेकिंग टू रेज फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, a ray parallel to the principal axis, another ray of passing through optical center. For any point, for drawing image of any point, we need the help of two rays. Okay, so to just this is an arrow. To get the image of that tip of the arrow, we take two rays. One is parallel to the principal axis, so we know it will pass through the focus. Another is passing through optical center, so it will pass straight. It will not undergo refraction. So wherever these two rays are meeting, there the image will be formed. So here is the meeting point of these two real rays. Okay, so this point, image of this point, the image of the object of this point is reflected or produced here. Okay, similarly for every point we shall get a point over here, and for this base point it is this one. Okay, this is the this is a ray which is passing through the optical center, so it will not undergo deviation, so image of this is formed here. So this represents the image of this one. If you label it as AB, then this you can label it as A dot B dot. Okay, A dot B dot, B का ये image है और A का image है. Now what is the nature of the image? अब देखो देख के ही पता चलेगी. You can judge by just seeing it. So if the image is bigger or smaller, the image is smaller. If the image is real, yes, the image is real. The image is inverted. Why? Because its arrow is upward direction, but here the arrow is downward direction. So we call it inverted. Okay, it is inverted. And where has it formed? If the object is beyond 2i, the image is in between. इमेज इज फॉर्म इन बिटवीन एफ एंड 2f. देखो f एंड 2f का बीच में आ रहा है, तो अगर 2i का इधर होगा ऑब्जेक्ट नॉट इज इन्फिनिटी, है ना, क्लोजर देन इन्फिनिटी, तो तुम्हारा यही उसका इमेज कहाँ बनेगा हमेशा ही, हाँ, इट विल फॉर्म बिटवीन f एंड 2i एंड नेचर ऑफ द इमेज वही ऑल दिस विल कम टू नेचर ऑफ द इमेज. नेचर ऑफ द इमेज व्हाट? इट इज रियल, इट इज इन्वर्टेड, इट इज स्मॉलर एंड फॉर्म इन बिटवीन f एंड 2i. हो गया. Now come to another case. Suppose the object is placed at 2f point of the lens. At 2f means twice the focal length. Twice the focal length. Suppose this is the 2i position and object is at 2i. Then where will be its image? So take one point and draw the ray diagram. For this point, take a ray parallel to the principal axis, which is passing through the focus, another passing through optical center. These two reflected rays meeting at this point. So here is the image of this point, and image of this point will be here. Okay, so this is the principal axis and another passing parallel to the principal axis. All are meeting at the same point, or the same line represent both. So this is the base point and this is the tip point. Now you observe the image, how the image looks like. Now is it of same size or of different size? It is of same size. Okay, so yeah, we can say in terms of physics that the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. One point हो गया नेचर में. Is it real? Yes, it is real because real rays are meeting here. और इज इट direct or inverted? It is inverted. क्यों? ये क्वालिटी खा गया है. It is inverted. And where is it? What is the position of the image formed? ना at 2i shape. तो देखो when the object is at 2i shape, the image is formed at उतना ही दूरी में बनेगा. ठीक है, object is at 2i shape, it is real, it is inverted and it is of the same size, है ना. तो अगर कोई तुमको आप पूछेगा, है ना, for what position of an object, है ना, for what position object will you get image of the same size? We shall get, if the object is placed at 2i shape, then the image will be of the same size. Okay, now for what position of the object you get the image at the same distance, then also answer is same. If the object is placed at 2i shape, then the image is also at 2i shape. Okay, and these focal lengths are considered equal. Now the fourth case, object between 2i shape and f point of the lens. If the object, now see the ray diagram, what is the position of the object? The object is placed in between f and 2i shape. Now so draw the image of this point. So just like others, take the help of two rays, one ray parallel to the principal axis, after another ray passing through the optical center. These two, just see, it will pass through the focus and travel, it will go undeviated, so they are meeting now here. So here is this is the object, this is the image, this is the object position, this is its image. So this is the image for this object. Okay, now object is placed in between f and 2i, कहीं भी, यहाँ कहीं भी रखो, मतलब in between f and 2i shape, then the image is formed beyond 2i shape. वो इधर ही बनेगा, इस 2i shape का इधर कभी नहीं बनेगा. कहाँ किधर बनेगा? It will form beyond 2i shape, मतलब इधर दूर बनेगा. ठीक है, और अब नेचर ऑफ द इमेज तब क्या हो जाएगा? The image is bigger, image is inverted, image is real and image is formed beyond 2i shape. ठीक, very easy. However you must draw it. Until unless you draw it, you will not get the things in your brain, you cannot capture it. So practice is more important than reading. Number 5, object kept at the first, now the object is at focus, first principal focus. Object kept at the first principal focus or f point of the lens. So if the object is at f and first principal focus, then what will be its image? Of the focus mein hai. So take two rays for this point, try to get the image of this point, tip point. So take a ray parallel to the principal axis, another ray passing through the optical center. So it will pass through the focus, it will also, so these two rays will move parallel, they will never meet. So where the image will form? Image is considered to be formed, image is considered to be formed at infinity, क्योंकि मिलेगा नहीं, अगर मिलेगा तो बहुत दूर मिलेगा, यानी infinity में मिलेगा. और नीचे देखो, अगर मिलेगा तो नीचे मिलेगा, है क्या नहीं? Because these rays are below the principal axis. So if the image is formed, then it is real, it will be very very big, and it is formed at infinity, it will be inverted one. Okay, so in this case the image formed here is regarded as a real one because the real rays are going inverted because it will be formed below the principal axis, magnified क्यों मैंने कहाँ मिलेगा कोई पता नहीं है ना, ये principal axis इधर जा रहा है और rays इधर आ रहा है, so it may be this one, so the image will be very big, magnified, and it is regarded as formed very far off or at infinity, and it is formed at infinity. मतलब मिलेगा तो नहीं, लेकिन अगर मिल जाए तो कहाँ मिलेगा, it will formed at infinity, it will be formed at infinity. Next another case is there, let us go through that. Object is now last point, object placed between optical center and focus of the point of the lens. Now so where is the position, now this is the optical center and this is the focus, so try to put the object in between these 2 points O and F, optical center and focus. So this is our object now. So take a ray parallel to the principal axis, what will pass through, it will pass through focus. Take another ray passing through optical center. So now you just observe, will are these moving parallel or going to meet, will these converge? No, these are diverging. These two rays are diverging, moving away from each other, getting separated. So in this direction, they will never. Where the real rays are going, the real rays are not going to meet. Okay, they will not converge. So how to get the then image of that? Now then you draw virtual rays. Okay, in the backward direction. If they are diverging in this direction, they will be converging in opposite direction. So if you draw virtual rays, then they will converge at a point. So here it is the point of convergence. Yani you are getting the image of this point here. Similarly, you will get the image of this point here. So this is the image and this is the object. Now the object image has formed in the same side as the object. Object भी lens का इधर है और image भी इधर ही बना है. The object and the image are formed are in the same side of the lens, and this image is formed. Now what is the nature of the image? Just compare the size, is the image bigger or smaller, the image is bigger. Okay, now is the image is real or virtual, it is a virtual image because real rays are going in this direction. Okay, after reflection they are moving this way, and we have drawn with the help of unreal rays. These are not real rays, real rays are going this. So the image formed by intersection of virtual rays is called the virtual. Okay, so the image is virtual or virtual image, this is erect, just similar to an standing position of the object. So the image is bigger, image is virtual, image is erect, and it is formed in the same side of the lens. Okay, अब देखो the image formed here is virtual, erect, magnified means bigger, it appears to be formed beyond f, और f का इधर बन रहा है ना, beyond f बन रहा है of the lens on the same side of the object. Okay, so these are the various characteristics of the images formed for various position of an object in front of a convex lens. Okay, the characteristic images formed by convex lens have been summarized below in the form of a table. The tabular form में भी तुमको दिया हुआ है. Okay, so you try to match with just when the object is twice the focal length, twice a point, then it will be real and inverted and the same size of the object, and it will form at the same distance twice. So whatever we have read, that has been tabulated, given in the tabulated form. So you write it, learn it, and draw all the ray diagrams. That is your homework. Okay, thank you.